think they will take a look on you. Eh? Voilà, je lui disais qu'il fasse très attention.
Yes, then I will translate for the French spectator.
Permettre le camion de revenir à pied. Voilà.
Yeah, of course, it will be a nice show for the Russian people, and especially because they never seen before in Russia. They can see on the TV, but not yet in real, in life. And for the first time, I'm sure we will have a very good show. And specifically because the Smolensk track is a very good place to see. You know, the location and how is made the track. It's very good for the visitors because from one point you can see all the track, and this is a very good point for the spectators.